Welcome to Dean's Baking Show. So today I'm going to show you how to make buttermilk biscuits. We are going to preheat the oven to 450 degrees. Now we are going to put baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Now we are going to put all of those ingredients in a bowl. Now we are going to put 4 cups of unbleached flour into the bowl. Now we are going to mix it. Now we are going to cut 4 tablespoons of butter into smaller chunks. Now we are going to put our butter into the bowl and then mash it up. Now we are going to put 2 cups of buttermilk into the bowl. Now we are going to dump our dough onto the counter and knead it with your hands. Now that our dough is done, we are going to roll it. Now our dough was rolled and it should look like this. And it should be about this thick. Now we are going to use cutters to shape it into a circle. Now, when you've cut out all of the spots you can cut, you can reform it into a dough and roll it out. Now we are going to bake them for 15 to 20 minutes. When your biscuits are done, they should look like this.